Hey y'all, today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to use our air fryer and make some salmon bites. We're just going to cube these guys up about 1-inch squares. Come down through here. They don't need to be perfect. We're going to cook these in our air fryer. These are quite the nice little treat. They probably work for appetizers or whatever if you're having a party. If you just wanted to make these up and eat them with a salad, it'd be a good healthy alternative. Just gonna come straight down through here, and like I said, we're just cubing these up. These are only going to cook for about 9 minutes. So if you're in a pinch midweek, need something quick to cook for dinner, this is your ticket. We've been using our air fryer more and more, especially for some midweek meals. So you can use salmon. We've also done this with steelhead trout. It's also really good. Most of the big box stores, even Aldi's, carry steelhead trout now. So super simple recipe. So we're going to hit it with a couple things here. We have some olive oil, probably about 2 teaspoons of that. Just give it a good coat. And then today we're using this lemon pepper buffalo seasoning by Heath Riles. This stuff is excellent. Probably about 1.5 teaspoons of this. And we're going to come in and just give it a good mix. Make sure everything's coated well. If you want to add more seasoning, you can. Again, these are going to cook on 390 in our air fryer for about 9 minutes. We'll pull these guys out and we'll show you how we're going to sauce them and then plate them. Okay, so we have our basket out for our air fryer, and we're just going to set these in here. We're going to line them up. About halfway through, we're going to go ahead and just flip them and make sure they're cooking real even. These are not going to take very long. Again, total cook time is about 9 minutes. Again, if you want to use a different type of seasoning for this, these would make great, like probably teriyaki bites with some toasted sesame seeds on it. Would be good. So we'll do this in 2 batches. So get these in here. Do some air between them. We're going to go ahead and get them in the air fryer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stick this in our air fryer. I'm going to turn this guy on. We're going to go to the fish setting, which is 390, and then I'm going to take this down to 9 minutes, and it'll start on its own. About halfway through, about the 4 or 5 minute mark, we'll go ahead. I'll show you what they look like. We're going to flip them around, make sure they're cooking even. Okay, so we're at 4 minutes on these. Just going to give them a quick toss. They're at 130 right now. I'm shooting for 145. So we're going to put these back in, let them finish. About 4 minutes left on this, and then we'll show you how we're going to sauce them. So you can see these got a nice crust on them. They look pretty. We're going to go ahead and pull them out. For all you armchair quarterbacks, I'll check the temp on them. We're plenty done. We're at 148. Just gonna pull these off. Now you want to be gentle with them when you toss these things. So see if we can get Bill to try one of these. Not a huge salmon fan.
No. I'll try one. I'm scared.
You ain't scared? Can't be scared now. Just going to be right up front. Okay, we're going to get this thing loaded with the next round. First, we're going to show you how we're going to dress these up. So, we're going to hit these with about a teaspoon of honey. Got about a quarter cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce. We're going to add in a couple of pinches of some fresh chopped chives. Now we're going to fold these in. If you have a couple that break apart, that's fine. Just fold these together. Make sure they get a good even coat. Now we're going to plate these up. Just going to pour these guys right out onto here. Come back across a couple more little chives. Boom. There's some air fryer salmon bites. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give these buffalo salmon bites a try. And they look good. Makes for a great poolside snack. Great flavor, very tender. Picking up a little bit of that lemon and the buffalo from that Heath Ryle seasoning. A little sweet from that honey. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some of that. Try a little piece, Bill.